Hydrotech Standard RO Installation Instructions. Precautions before beginning installation. 1. Ensure the voltage output in your household outlet is compatible with the voltage of the RO unit you are about to install. 2. Please choose a suitable area to place the unit before beginning installation. 3. Please ensure the source water TDS does not exceed 500 ppm. 4. Please ensure the source water pressure is within 7.25 to 50.75 psi or 0.5 to 3.5 bar. If source water pressure exceeds these limits, please install a pressure reduction valve. 5. Please ensure source water temperature is within 4 to 38 degrees Celsius. Tools required: Phillips head screwdriver, wrenches, pliers, a suitable cutting tool for tubing, Teflon tape, which is included. Check package contents. Step 1. Open packaging and remove cardboard box containing filter housings and filters, including the PP filter, GAC filter, and CTO filter. Remove wrappings and set housings and filters aside. Note: filter housing O-rings may have shifted from original position or fallen out during shipping. Please check O-rings are in place before proceeding with installation. Step 2. Remove RO unit from packaging. Step 3. Remove RO components and accessories from packaging. Contents should include 1 RO membrane element, 1 red tubing, 1 white tubing, 1 blue tubing, 1 yellow tubing, 1 filter housing wrench, 1 RO housing wrench, 1 faucet, 1 hardware package, 1 manual, and 1 Teflon tape. Step 4. Remove pressure tank from packaging. Begin installation. Step 5. Install ball valve onto the pressure tank. Note: during installation, when encountering threads, apply Teflon tapes in a clockwise direction to prevent leakage. Step 6. Disconnect tubing from cap of membrane housing and unscrew housing. Disconnect tubing by removing blue quick connect clip and gently pull tubing while holding collar down. Remove RO element from packaging and insert RO element into housing with the small double O-rings facing inward. Install membrane housing cap and tighten with wrench provided. Step 7. Place filters in appropriate housings according to labels and install filter housings from right to left in the following order: PP first, GAC second, and CTO last. Tighten housings with wrench provided. Note: when installing housings, make sure housings are level and even to avoid leaking. Step 8. Connect each tubing color according to the colors of the plugs on the RO system. Note: insert blue quick connect clip around collar fittings to secure tubing. Step 9. Shut off water main before proceeding with installation. Disconnect inlet water source piping and install diverter valve and inlet shutoff valve. Apply Teflon tape to threads before installation. Align threads by hand and tighten with wrench. Note: place black seal into diverter valve before installation. Step 10. Install faucet onto the countertop according to instructions provided. Step 11. Install white inlet tube to inlet valve. Remove locking nut and insert tube through locking nut. Then place the tube over inlet valve spout and tighten locking nut over tubing by hand and tighten with wrench. Connect blue tubing to faucet in the same fashion. Step 12. Connect yellow tube to pressure tank ball valve quick fitting. Step 13. Drill a small hole in drain pipe, just large enough to insert red wastewater pipe. Run the red wastewater pipe through the drain clamp and install and secure clamp onto the drain pipe. Step 14. Organize tubing and adjust lengths as needed. Step 15. Prep system for operation by flushing pre-filters. Disconnect RO element inlet tube on element housing cap. Open water main and inlet valve. Discard output water into container or drain. Continue flushing until output water is visibly clean. Then reconnect the tubing. Note: pump and RO membrane may be severely damaged if system is run without flushing pre-filters. Discard all waters during flush. It is not suitable for use or consumption. Step 16. Connect power and open all valves to start operation. Wait approximately 2 minutes before opening faucet. Allow the system to flush for the first 10 to 15 minutes. Do not use the water from the RO unit at this time. After flushing the system, it is ready to use.